Hi guys, and welcome to a Waste Free World YouTube and a Waste Free World shop. Today I am talking to you about the dreaded kitchen sponge. These things have been proven to have more bacteria than your toilet. They are disgusting. You can't use them for very long, but most importantly, they have a huge carbon footprint. These normal kitchen sponges are made from materials like polyester and nylon, which are non-recyclable and non-biodegradable. One of the worst things about this in particular, these green parts, look how easy they come off. They are made from tiny little bits of plastic which go directly into the water system as soon as you're using them in your kitchen sink. So why are we still using a product which releases plastic into the ocean? Here at our Waste Free World, we're all about finding alternative products which are plastic free, natural and biodegradable. Let me introduce you to Scrubbies. These beautiful little sponges are 100% biodegradable, 100% organic cotton, not made out of plastic, and have sharks on them. They are handmade in the UK. You can simply use them, wash them, and keep them for as long as you want. On average, we use 52 of these disgusting plastic-ridden things a year. With Scrubbies, you can buy a pack of 2 or you can buy 4, and you can keep using them until they literally fall apart. And when they do fall apart, they are going to biodegrade. So these are just one of the amazing products that we have in store at Waste Free World at the moment. Ditch that skanky sponge, get yourself some biodegradable sponges, and make sure you tag us on a Waste Free World and show us how much fun you're having with your new plastic free products.